Police in Thailand have arrested a man who is supposed to be the head of Asia's biggest illegal wildlife trading networks. He was arrested for smuggling protected animal parts like rhino horns and elephant ivory. He tried to smuggle 14 rhino horns from Africa to Thailand. A group that helped to find proof believes that the arrest will break up the wildlife smuggling operation under Bunchai Bak, the name of the person arrested. First question: why is wildlife trading against the law? Second question: think of yourself as an elephant. How would you feel if someone hurts you and sells your ivory tusks? Please share your thoughts with the class.